Hey, Dave Knight here at Dave Knight Trading. Happy Friday to you. Today is November 17th, Friday, November 17th, 2023. I'm going to bring you up to my week, kind of recap and be done. Notice it says I'm up 100 ticks, but I'm actually down on the day. Actually, 100 ticks, $100. Uh, Yesterday's account balance was at well, it doesn't show here, but it was 53,928. Hold on, let me pause here for a sec. So here's my account summary. Um, it was at 53,929 yesterday. So, the goal is to be like roughly $300 positive. So I was at +3 on +2 days. Today was day 3, if I'm counting. It's day 15 today, but it's day 3 in between payments is what I'm going at right now. And notice I finished at 600 and something, so 53, 600, and it says I was up $100, but in actuality, I was down pretty much from the opening bell until I got within 300 today, and I'm thinking, that's good enough. One good trade next week will get me right back where I need to be. It says I'm up 100, but in fact I'm down about how much am I down today? If I take yesterday's high, but I'm still up on the week. So I started at 53,000 and $1. So I'm up. Actually, let's just do that. 602 minus 1. I'm up about $600 for the week on 3 trading days. So I'm right where I want to be as far as, well, I'd like to, I talked about 2 trading days being negative, 8 positive, averaging out 300 over every trading day. So I ended up getting, I think I had $600 win yesterday and a $300 win on Wednesday. And then I took a 928. 929, it says minus, I actually have a minus at 928 minus 602, 326. So I lost 326 today, but I did come back. It was a rough trading day for me, to be honest. I got caught going the wrong way to start. We'll take a look at the 5-minute chart and the 1-minute chart. It was a lot of whipsawing today. A lot of fake outs as well. So here's our 5-minute chart. Here's 9:30. Notice this is I grinded it out basically to in this area to get to where I was minus 300. At one point I was minus 750, and I took a 10-minute break, and then I came back off of that minus 750. So I came down. Well, I was down $750. So I was down 75 ticks from 928. I got down to like a low of 52.9 something. So maybe I was a little bit lower. I was about, I didn't cross 52.9. I got close to that 53, 52.9 area, and then I made a comeback. But my first few trades were loser, loser, loser. It was frustrating. So I took a 10-minute break, and then I started coming back. I missed this down move. I tried to catch it, and I just missed it. It was frustrating. 9:30 opens up. I tried to give it 5 minutes, and then I got caught going short, and this fricker went up on me right there. I tried again. I think down in here somewhere, and it went back up again. It was frustrating. And my first winning was on this move right here, coming off the bottom, and another win was coming down. Another win was coming up off of that right there. So I did get back in sync with the market, but it took me about right here about 15 minutes to get in sync with the market. I took a 10-minute break after, excuse me, it was about 9:50 when I started trading. So I was off from 9:40 to 9:50, and then I caught this move right through here, caught that move coming back down, and I caught that move right there. So off this bounce, I was able to catch not this bar here. I caught this one. The bounce actually shows it a little bit better on the 1-minute chart. So I was looking at the 1-minute chart on this bounce. Here's that bounce I'm talking about right there. This is the one that I caught back to pivot. I missed this damn move coming down, which would have been my winner. So I got caught a couple times. Let's go back to 9:35. 9:30. So 9:30 comes in, and then this move is what catches me coming back up. I came in like right in here, and then it just knocked me. And then I tried to catch this move, but it kept coming back at me. I didn't catch this move because I took a break from, it was 9:40 to 9:50. Right in here is where I took my break, and I caught this move going back up. I caught this move coming down, and I caught this move going up again. And then I think I caught one more coming down to get to minus 300. Plus 100, it says on this shows plus $100, but net effect is that I'm down, I think, what I say, 326 on the day. So it was a tough trading day for me overall. You can see the market really wasn't showing a trend one way or the other. Once I got within 300 bucks of, I said, you know what, I'm up 600 on the week. I grabbed my 10-minute timer again, and then I walked away. I officially haven't had my coffee yet today. I had tried to get my blood work done, and I have to go back at 1:20. You know, a lot of things went on today. I'm fortunate. To be honest, I wasn't ready to trade at the 9:30 mark. I rushed it, and I had to. I said, you know, David, you're effing up right now. You need to quit. So I quit for a little bit, and then I came back, and then I was fresh, looking at the market. I was like, okay, I'm good here. I can chip away at this loss and turn it around, and that's what I basically did. I chipped away at the loss, and I turned it around. The other, notice that my EA 101 is sitting at 6 days, and I don't feel like trading the 7th day right this second. So it's reset, or we'll have to buy, I think it's December 8th. Let me check over here. My other computer. December 9th is the rebill on that, so I'm not exactly, I'll probably wait till after Thanksgiving to get the day 7 on that one and paying 140 for that EA. So it's at 3110. So all I needed is one more trading day in that one, and then pay the 140 bucks for that. So I'm just sitting it out there, which you can do. I know what my rebill is, so I know I have to pay $48.43 because I took the 71% discount on that one. If I just hold it there, or I pay $140 on day 7. Today was in effect day 15 in PA 14, but it's day 3, and I'm keeping track of both things. It's day 3 as far as needing 10 days between payouts. So I need, what I understand, I need 7 more days. If I'm correct on that, just let me know down below. I need 7 more days to qualify the PA 14 for another payout. So I'm trying to stay above 53,000 right now. I can draw this account down to 50,100, but really I don't want to get anywhere near that anymore. My goal is still 56,000. If I get 55,000, I'm good with that too. I'll take 2,000 and start at 53,000 again and go for 56. So I'm good at 54.5 again and taking 1,500 out, if that's what I end up is. So anywhere between 54.5 to 56,000 is my target on the 10 trading days, to make sure that I hopefully get another withdrawal in December. So my goal right now is December 1st, December 2nd to request more money on PA14. Be smart on this account. Don't lose it. Don't overtrade it. Take some time away from the market when you're wrong. Wisdom, wisdom, wisdom. I'm speaking wisdom. Right now I'm speaking wisdom. Take some time away when you're screwing up. Notice that this dip right here is the payout. So the difference between this and this is $1,500. So that's plus my day 12 win or whatever, whatnot. So it's $1,500, and then I won what I won on that day. I won 363. So if you take 1,500 plus minus 363, 1138. So that's my payout, $1,500 payout. I had a $363 win on that trading day. That's why that doesn't say 1,500. It shows 1138. So I took it physically came out of the account on whatever day this is, day 11 into day 12. I got paid 12, 13, and 14, whatnot. And then excuse me, 13, 14, 15. So 13, day 13 right here. I had a win. It shows 1,100 loss, but remember I had a $1,500 payout. I requested that payout, just so you remember. Whoops. I requested a payout of $1,500, and it was approved, and that money came into my account. So that's why that 1138 showing up there. It's took the $1,500 payout less my $363 win on that trading day, and that's why you see what you see there. It physically wasn't a $1,000 loss because $1,500 went to the bank. So today was rough. Today was rough. I'm glad I finally was able to get close. If you're looking at even my 369 chart wasn't helping today. So this smooths the 1, 2, 3 chart out a little bit. Here's the trade yeah, this is the one I won, I believe, coming up to get me back, and then I took this one right here, 921. And this is where I physically stopped when this market came back off of that right there, because I thought we could come back down and retest the lows. And then once we at 1022, right, around 1022 is when I quit trading for the day. So this was my last trade. But if you look at the hour, 9:30, we're going back on. This is a 369 chart. So this is smoothing it out a little bit better. So coming in, I'm thinking, well, good. We're gonna. I was kind of. This was a pretty big down. I'm thinking, all right, 9:30 we could go up. The opening trade was up. I think I caught a little bit of this move, and this is the one I started losing right here. I lost that move. I lost in here, in this move right in here, and I believe I lost in this move right in there. It doesn't look like a lot, but each one of those things is at least about $300 coming back against you when you're trading too. So then I slowed down, took 10 minutes off, and then I just started chipping away at my loss. One contract, chipping away at my loss, 2 contracts, 1 contract, adding. This is the trade that I caught right here. I caught that one. I caught this one coming up, and I caught that one coming right down. So those were my winning trades. This move coming down, this trade coming up. I got stopped out somewhere around this area, and this was my bigger winner coming up off of this. I took it on right around here and took that trade on. You can see that this 10-11 mark Also shows, I'll show you, the volume was looking good then too. So I'm trying to follow the volume, and I was trying to find a high volume on the 369 chart, and it really didn't show a high volume today. There was no like look at me volume today on the 369 chart. Just didn't really have it. If it would show, I'd show you what it looks like, but we haven't had one today. So look at me volume is all we'll call it look at me volume. It stands out like a big sore thumb, like you took your hammer and you smashed your thumb. It just very obvious when you see it. So yeah, this move right here is the one I caught. There was another one that I caught. Oh, this is the 1 minute chart. That's why this is screwing up right now. Right in here is something I saw, but that was after the fact. There's another one. Here's one of the trades that I saw coming in. You can see me right here, in and out right there. So that was one of them, and then I think I caught here. I got this long going up, got out there, and oh well. There was a couple wins in there for me. A couple, and I started the day in the negative column. I finished the day in the negative column. Today's trading over the week, though, I was up 602 for the week. So next week is a brand new week. We're just gonna take it easy now. Let me do something I need to do to keep me from being me. Switching that to, so I can just watch it. Switching this to sim and keep me from my worst enemy, which is me. I am my own worst enemy when it comes to trading, thinking that I can always win every trading day. You're going to lose a couple. I've planned for 2 losers in that over the next 10 trading days. Today's loser number 1. So hopefully I'll have some wins next week, and maybe I'll end up having 7 straight trading days in a row with wins. But I am planning on, I'm roughly an 80% winning rate as a day trader, knowing that coming in, trying to control my losing days. That is the key. And that's going to be your key as well, by the way, is how do you control your losing days? How do you walk away from a trading day that you're getting your ass kicked? All right, so that's been my biggest nemesis at Apex, as a day trader, and overall. I mean, don't blow your account on one freaking trading day, right? I'm up 600 over the week. I'm up 3,600 overall in this account. So, just got to think positives. Think about all the positives. And when you're trading, you're trying to keep, when you're out of kilter, man, grab your egg timer, grab your timers, flip those mothers over, and take some time away from trading. It's my biggest words of wisdom that I can give you. 10 minutes, 5 minutes, even 1 minute away from it. I got a 10, a 5, and a 1 minute timer here. When I go for that 10-minute timer, that means I need to take a frickin' break. I go for the 5 minutes, it means that I just need to reset myself and get back again. So, all right. It's almost 20 minutes of me shitting when talking with you today. I think I showed you some of the trades I took today. It was a tough one. It was a grinded out day inside there today. So no real rhythm one way or the other this morning. All right, it's Dave Knight here at Dave Knight Trading. Today, once again, was Friday, November 17th, 2023. As a reminder, next week I'll only be trading Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, taking Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, probably that next Monday off, and then finishing 7, 8, 9, 10, probably the 28th through the 1st, and then requesting hopefully the next payout on December 2nd, because the window will be open from the 1st to the 5th to request the payout, so that I can get paid for Christmas, hopefully. That's the overall plan. Even if it's 500 bucks, whatever it is, try to take some money away each month. And then I'm trying to build the other PA account so that I can have one rotating with the other and eventually bring a third one in. And hopefully at someday in the future, having 20. Can you imagine having 20 PA accounts and getting paid on them? I've watched this one guy. It's unbelievable. Some of the people that are putting money out there. I think the guy got paid 20. He's getting 26 or 35,000 requesting. You that seems like a pipe dream right now, but I'm closing in on staying funded right now. Stay funded, get paid, stay funded, get paid, stay funded. That's right, get paid. Dave Knight here, Dave Knight Trading. We'll see you on the next video I put together. Bye for now. Have a good day. God bless you. Take care. I'll see you on the next video I put together. Bye for now.